Hey everyone! The moment for Android XR isn't just coming, it's here. For decades, we've been stuck interacting with rectangles, monitors, phones, tablets. But XR shatters those limits. Why now? Because the pieces are finally in place. AI has evolved, hardware's caught up, and developers are ready. If you're excited about the future of tech, smash that like button and subscribe. It helps more people discover this content. Alright, let's dive in. Gemini isn't just another upgrade, it's the engine that makes Android XR feel like magic. Imagine a device that understands your voice, gestures, and even your surroundings. That's not sci-fi, it's the next-gen UI we're building. Google and Samsung didn't rush this. They waited for the right tech, multimodal AI that processes the world like you do. Early attempts at XR flopped because the AI wasn't smart enough. Gemini changes everything. It's not just powering headsets, it's redefining what Android means. Think about it. When your UI isn't confined to a screen, the whole world becomes your interface. That's the quiet revolution in Android XR. Headsets are just the start. They're the gateway to glasses, devices you'll wear all day without thinking. Google's betting big on this shift. Why? Because glasses are ambient. They don't demand your attention, they enhance your reality. Picture this, walking down the street and Gemini translates signs in real time. Or reliving memories in 3D like stepping back into the past. That's the promise of spatial computing. But here's the catch: trust. XR requires constant data, what you see here, even where you look. Google's pitch? It just works. No clunky controls, no awkward inputs. But seamless doesn't mean invisible. The trade-off? You're handing Google a front-row seat to your life. If Gemini stumbles, say, misinterpreting context or mishandling privacy, this whole vision collapses. Developers, this is your playground. The Android XR SDK opens doors. Unity support, spatial apps, even converting 2D content into immersive experiences. YouTube? Redesigned for XR. Photos? Your old pics get depth. Chrome? An infinite workspace. Google's not just building tools, they're crafting an ecosystem. And with Samsung on board, this isn't a niche experiment, it's a mainstream push. Remember Google Glass? It flopped, but it planted seeds. AR Core, Lens, Live View, they're all stepping stones to XR. Now, Gemini ties it together. Watch a baseball game and AI breaks down the play before you ask. That's the power of predictive computing. But it's also a gamble. Will people want an AI that anticipates their needs? Or will it feel like overreach? The real story isn't hardware, it's infrastructure. Google's playing the long game. A unified platform for every XR device. From headsets to glasses. Samsung handles scale, Google handles the brain. And that brain, Gemini, closed source, proprietary, and squarely under Google's control. Open collaboration, sure, but the AI calling the shots is theirs alone. So, is Android XR the future or just hype? Depends who you ask. If execution matches ambition, we're looking at the next era of computing, one where tech fades into the background. But if trust erodes, another cautionary tale. Either way, the stakes are sky high. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. Are you ready for XR? Or is it too much, too soon? See you in the next one.